Hi everybody, it's Dick and today I'm going to show you how can we download Python. First of all, Python is a programming language which can develop many types of software as well as website. It is also known as high-level programming language. There are many other programming languages like JavaScript, HTML, etc. So let's begin. At first, we need to go at web browser. New web browser we can use. For me, it's Chrome. After going there, we can simply type Python python and python dot org as you can see here. Then we should click at first link. So you can see that download the latest version of Windows. This is the latest version, so you don't need to worry about that. Uh, so we can simply click in that. First of all, the version name is 3.9.6, so we can simply click it. So here it is, you can see here it is downloading. While downloading, I recommend you to download a Python editor. uh, for me, I always use PyCharm. No matter, you can take any Python editor, but I recommend you to download PyCharm. So to download it, click type PyCharm PyCharm download. You can by you can click at first link by jetbrains.com. So here are two types of PyCharm. One is community and another is professional. I recommend you to download community because in professional we need some money to download it. So simply I can download free one. So you can see here it is downloading. So while that is being, I want you to open that Python. Just a minute. I recommend you to customize installation. Before that, add Python 3.92 path. After that, click on customize installation. After that, I recommend you to click on next, and you can fulfill the demand by your need. So I need also, I click in IT call. It will take some time to be installed. So just wait it. Mm, So you can see setup was successful. Now I can simply close it. Now let's go in Python. Now you can see this pop-up notification has been opened. Now we can simply click in next, then again next. I recommend you to click on 64-bit launcher, add a launcher drill to the path, update.py. Now click on install. It will take a time. While that is being, let me show you about Python. So you can see here Python has been downloaded, so we can simply click it in. Let me teach you a simple coding, that is print, two parentheses, inside that parentheses two. Oops. Now we can just print whatever we like hello, hello, how are you, and perfect. Hello, how are you? It has been printed. In further video, me and my team is going to uh, upload a video related to Python coding, so you don't need to worry about that. And And yeah, we this is how we can download Python. Besides this, we can code in CMD too. CMD, we can simply type it here, and here it is. So here it is about your Microsoft window. To run this in Python, we can simply type python Python. Now it is tagged to Python. Now we can code in here also, like pr and print two parentheses. Hi. Perfect. Here is also, it is also working in CMD. To exit it, we can simply type exit and two sets of parentheses. It has been exit. So after all, let's continue with our Python. On Now let's click in finished. Let's open it. Wait a minute. Yeah, Python community 2021.1 loading desktop project. Just a minute. It will take a time. To work within, we can first we need to make a folder called Python in our desktop, like I have made it. You can see it here. So I have already made it, so I don't need to make. And so in our desktop, it will automatically show the folder called Python. So we can click it in here, then click in file and new, then Python file. We can name our Python file like hello hello YouTube. Now our file has been opened. In this also we can code uh, print. So you can see here is showing suggestion for print. This is why I recommend you for Python. This make our coding easy, fast and confidential. Hi, let's print it. To print it, we can simply click in run, then once again run, and hello YouTube. Perfect. You can see here hi, or you can simply click in this button. It will show the same result. And yeah, this is how can we download Python. Hope you like our video. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below.